in which we solve the following word problems. Our first question is part A. The volume of the water in a bucket is 4 liters 721 milliliter. We have the volume 4 liters 721 in milliliter. If you pour 375 milliliter more water in it, what will be the volume of the water in the bucket? We have already the volume 4 liters 721 milliliter, and if we add more water in the bucket, in the same bucket, suppose like that, if we have a bucket in which already have the volume is 4 liter 721 milliliter. If we add more water in it, and that is the, what will be the volume? If we add more in it, that is 375 in milliliter. Then they asked what will be the volume of the water in a bucket. They are asking to us what will be the total volume of the that a bucket hold. Now we have to solve this question. First of all, we write the first volume, that is water in a bucket. How much the volume in a bucket? First, water in a bucket is equal to 4 liter, that is this one, 4 liter 721 milliliter. And if we add more water, in the same bucket, that is 375 milliliter. If we add more water in the bucket and is equal to 375 milliliter, but they asking to us, they asked to find what will be the volume of the water in a bucket. So we can write as total water in a bucket. That is, we don't know right now, and we have to solve this question on the other side. First of all, as we know, we have to write their units. What is its unit? The first unit is liter, and the other is the, for the smallest value is the milliliter. What is the volume we have in liter? That is 4 liter, and we write here 4, and also in the milliliter we have the volume 721 in milliliter. The other value, we don't have the value here in liter, so we can write here as 0, and the other value we have in the milliliter, that is 375 milliliter. So how can we find the total? We find if we add these both volume, if we add 5 into 1, then what will be the answer? The answer is 6. If we add 7 into 2, the answer is 9. If we add 7 into 3, the answer is 10. So what will be the answer is 10. So we write the unit side, which is the 0 here, and we also put 1 on the other side as a carry form, that is 1. Now we add these values, 4 into 1, that is 5, and 0 if we add, then the answer we have the same as 5. Now we have the answer 5 liter and 96 in milliliter. Then how much the bucket hold water total? 5 liter and 96 milliliter. So students, you have to solve the next question, part B, with the same method by yourself. Okay, Allah Hafiz.